Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It's a pleasure to join in the debate of Bill 6. I feel this bill is a good example of the legacy that our government is creating for all Ontarians. It is about investment in all of our lives and for the future. As we all know, infrastructure is an essential to the health, strength, and sustainability of every community. In communities like my own, Mississauga, Brampton South, which have grown very quickly and has a planning to continue to grow. Rapid transit along Dixie Road, Tompkin Road, and Eastgate Parkway, or Her Ontario LRT, or any other projects that connect to the transit system is making my community very accessible. And we are building up our economic strengths and making it a green place to live in. But even older communities in parts of Ontario that are not growing very quickly, such as rural areas or outlying cities, can find renewal through modern infrastructure. Roads, highways, bridges, transit, modern water and sewage system, these all improve life in Ontario by reducing greenhouse gas emissions. And transportation is one of the major sources of greenhouse gas. Transportation is an important area of focus for our government, as we already have taken historic action, Mr. Speaker, to close Ontario's coal-fired power plants, which spewed emissions, and we know we must continue to do more. Greenhouse gases, especially as they are created by human activity, are already contributing to climate change, which is a concern of mine as a parliamentary assistant to the Minister for Environment. Climate change is leading to severe weather phenomena throughout Ontario, such as the ice storm that hit the GTHA in 2013, or last summer's torrential rains, and even harmful algal blooms that can harm human lives. The phenomena also damage old infrastructure. It simply needs to be replaced or upgraded. In addition to making Ontario a better and more accessible place to live for people, and to reducing society's carbon footprint, investing in infrastructure is very important to our province's economic strength. Bill 6, if passed, would require the Ministry of Economic Development, Employment and Infrastructure to create a 10-year plan for infrastructure, which is undeniably needed. Mr. Speaker, our planning needs to ensure our core public services, which are very important to our well-being, are reliable. I'm very proud to be part of a government that so highly values investment in Ontarians. Bill 6 is important to our commitment to invest over $130 billion in infrastructure over 10 years. This will support Ontarians in every corner of our province, from Windsor to Ottawa and from Mississauga to Ottawa-Pascat. According to Conference Board of Canada, each dollar invested in public infrastructure in Ontario raises our GDP by $1.14 in the short term. Mr. Speaker, what does this mean? It means it would promote our economic competitiveness, job creation, and training of skilled workers. In closing, I strongly feel this proposed legislation is a sound economic policy, it's a sound environmental policy, and it is a sound social policy. I urge all members of this House to support this bill. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.